can use it and throw it pregnancy. Never really use it for that.
Okay.
But it clean. Like if you have a gallstone and those things, and you know you have it, pneumonia, bronchitis, you can use it now along with this.
Along with
The
the
French time.
French time.
But the dog blood can boil for infection the womb or the giants, you know, like when you get a knock, you never pay it much mind, and you find that spot started to hurt,
Mm-hmm.
and you just say inflammation. Infection, not information. Infection is there,
Mm-hmm.
you boil the dog blood and drink. And this now, it is chicken weed.
Chicken weed.
This is chicken weed. This
What?
is a very wonderful bush.
What is good for?
This is chicken weed.
So you grow them nearby?
This is chicken weed.
What it good for? What it good for?
All type of something.
Mm-hmm.
You can mix it with something else. You see gas?
Mm-hmm.
It's helpful for gas. But then again, you can put with other bush for other meaning.
This look like his favorite bush right here.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken weed.
Asthma, you say asthma?
Mm-hmm.
Asthma. People who suffer with asthma, I use it along with the coral
Mm-hmm.
for the asthma.
And we clean them.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The one now that is chicken it now, you put all of them together and boil them for wash the asthma out. That is it. The chicken it not here outside.
Right now?
Across the road. Chicken it.
Chicken net.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken net, the chicken feed, and the coral.
Mm-hmm. Chicken weed.
Chicken weed.
Weed. A lot of people try to get it, but it's not that easy to get until when you can buck it up. Because it not grow everywhere. You see, start growing your money. Sometimes you don't see it again until it come back up. But that is chicken weed. So you get the chicken weed and the noni.
Mm-hmm.
Here in the back. Here in the joints.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Your teeth. You see your throat?
Mm-hmm.
Like if you have a problem with the throat, like cold in the throat,
Mm-hmm.
you get the same chicken weed and boil it and gather the throat. You make it strong, you use it and gather the throat.
Okay.
Yeah. And you can rub it like this, as I said. You can use for that too. For like any fungus or such. Because it depends on what causes it to have the fungus. But this is the major one.
This is so much.
So when you throw up it's there, you say it out like that. But the chicken weed, man,